Uteti wigie endekithiirio kubunjwo kwa mbunge ta uria mucirithania munene David Maraga endekithitie riu ni ururumukite weru na Ngwataniro ya mawakiri guku bururi-ini LSK yugite ni hariirie gutabania mururungano munene nja wa ciikaro cia mbunge kungikinya gukinyeria tariki 12 mweri uyu President Uhuru Kenyatta ndagukorwo atacukitie ikinya o riothe.
The Chief Justice does not act on his own. He acts on behalf of the people of Kenya. And similarly, when the President of the Republic of Kenya is required to dissolve Parliament, he does not do that as a fiat. He does that as a delegate of the people of Kenya. It follows, therefore, that if the President fails to act in accordance with the will of the people of Kenya, he has violated the Constitution.
Mweri muthiru Maraga augire ati mbunge ya bururi ni remetwo ni kuhetũkia watho wa maiganania miaka 9 kuma riria gatiba yacenjirio na macira matanyihiire matandatu ni mahanditwo igoti-ini megie ndeto ino na ningi Maraga akiuga ati ni amukirite mahoya kuma kuri andu atano makimuria heanire endekithia ria kubunjwo kwa mbunge.
And you, the people of Kenya, must play your role. You must call out your elected members of National Assembly and the Senate. Tell them they are in office illegally. They have no business to transact.
Ngwataniro ya LSK yuritie ministry ya kigina kurugamia mishara ya mbunge kwanjiriria tariki 12 mweri uyu. Ona gutwika speaker wa mbunge Justin Muturi augire ati ambunge maguthie na mbere na kwamukira mushara wao nginyagia itena riao rithire mwaka wa 2022.
President de could dissolve Parliament. Todo ndunginyuorogi tondu mundu ni akwirwo nyuorogi. Na angikwirwo rogi ni iria ri ni ukoiga aca. Riu kindu kiria president yegwika ri athurirwo ni Wanjiku. Ena responsibility ya kwira Wanjiku kiria giatuma arege kubunja mbunge.
Hamwe na uguo igoti rinene kugerera mucirithania Weldon Korir ni riambire kurugamia riendekithia riu kionereria kia uregani uria ukoretwo ugitungio igeria riri ria kugeria kubunja mbunge.
It's not what I would like to do, but it is an option that has been put, as you said, by the Chief Justice. So we wait to see what the outcome of the court process will produce.
The Chief Justice's decision cannot be challenged in a court of law. And whoever has gone to a court of law on this decision has only two intentions. One, to delay the eventuality of the obvious dissolution of Parliament. And two, they could only be going to court when assured of an outcome.
Riu maitho mothe magieterera kuona kana kambeni ya LSK igie kubunjwo kwa mbunge na ikugia na maciaro na kana ni njira iriku makurumirira niguo gutigirira riendekithia riri ni ria hingio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.